children, good morning. Today I am going to deal with the topic Roman numerals. What is that? Roman numerals. The Roman numeral system is the system of ancient Rome. It is based on the letters of English alphabet combined to signify their values. The Roman numerals are used because of their historical importance. What is that? Because of their historical importance. So, the Roman numerals are used the letters. They are arranged from the greatest value to the least value starting from the left. The Romans are used the symbols of the letters. What are the symbols? 7 letters. 7 letters. So, what are the 7 letters? These 7 letters I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These 7 letters are used to indicate their numbers. So, these letters are signified with the values. So, I stands for the value 1 and the V stands for the value 5 and X stands for the value 10 and L stands for the value 50, C stands for the value 100 and E stands for the value 500, M stands for the value 1000. So, once again I repeat, I value is 1 and V value is 5 and X value is 10 and L value is 50, C value is 100, D value is 500, M value is 1000. Right? These are the letters, English alphabets. Okay. So, these are signified with the values. Right? So, we have already learned the previous classes 1 to 10 numbers. Right? So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We already learned these numbers. Right? So, here to write the Roman values, we have the 4 rules. Okay, we have 4 rules. So, look into the first rule. What is the first rule? A symbol can be repeated maximum of 3 times. Maximum of 3 times. Okay. So, here, look at here. This I is repeated here 2 times. And here 3 times. Right? And 4. How we write this? 4. 1, I and V. Right? So, the symbol is repeated for the 3 times only. Okay. So, coming to the second rule. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Remaining 3 letters are not repeated. Which are they? V and L and D are not repeated. Okay. Only these 4 letters are repeated. I, X, C and M. Okay. This is the second rule. And coming to the third rule. So, what is the third rule? If 1 or more symbols are placed, after the symbol of the greater value, the values are added. If 1 or more symbols are placed, after the greater value, the values are added. Which are the greater value in this? X means 10, I means 1, right? I means 1, I value is 1 and X value is 10. So, X is greater symbol, right? So, lesser symbol is placed after the greater symbol. So, what we should do here? We should add. Okay. So, here X, 10 plus I means 1. 10 plus 1, 11. The value is 11. Okay. Next, come to the second example. Here, which is the greater symbol? Which is the greater symbol? C is the greater symbol, right? C stands for the value 100 and L stands for the value 50. X stands for the value 10 and V value 5, right? So, we should add. Some symbols are placed after the greater value, right? So, this is the greater value. C 100 plus L means 50 plus X value 10 and V value 5, right? So, what is the total? 100 plus 50, 150 plus 10, 160 plus 5, 160 5. The value of this example is the 165, right? And here, which is the greater symbol here? M is the greater symbol, right? Because M stands for the value 1000. Okay, and C stands for the value 100. And same C here. Okay, so we should add. So M 1000, right? Plus C 100 plus another C 100 equal to 1000, 100 and another 100. 1200 means 1200. The value is 1200. And coming to the fourth rule, if a symbol is placed before the symbol of the greater value, the symbol is lesser is subtracted. Symbol of lesser is subtracted. If look into this example, the value L value is 50, right? And X value is 10. So, which is the greater symbol here? L. So, lesser symbol is placed before the greater symbol. Before the greater symbol. Then what we should do here? Subtract 50. L means 50 minus 10. So, value is 40. The value is 40. And coming to the second example, which is the greater symbol here? X, right? X. So, write the X values. N plus 10 plus 10. After the greater symbol, there is a symbol, right? So, we need to add. Okay, here look into this 2. Okay, this is the lesser value and this is the greater value, right? So, the greater value before it having lesser value, right? So, what we should do here? 5 minus 1, right? So, what we get here? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 5 minus 1, 4. So, the value is 34. Okay children, all of you understood?